Hey, what's up, YouTube? Back with another video today. I just wanted to go over kind of what's happening on in the market right now. We've got a lot of things going on with Trump and a lot of things going on with this tariff thing that's going on with the steel trade and what that means, I guess, for the economy as a whole. Right now, it looks like the market's selling off pretty hard, and a lot of people are probably going to wake up tomorrow and have their portfolios be a little bit of a obliteration, I guess you could say, because there's quite a bit of sell off that's happening right now. We'll see if it's a buy the dip kind of scenario, but hopefully it's not the boulder rolling down the hill, just picking up speed as it goes. We finally got back to a point where we're kind of back to where we were, and the markets are really unsteady. And what I want you guys to be aware of is there's going to be a lot of volatility going on for this year, and we might be starting to look into the first part of the recession and how to avoid getting burned from the market because it's currently up so high is to just be patient. I think the biggest thing to do is wait at this point, set some money aside, and wait for to see what's going to happen. And I think that's what a lot of people are doing because they don't want to dip into the market. That's why it hasn't been rising too huge lately. I do have some concerns with the dollar and how it's weakening and how people don't want to loan us money as much anymore. And I'm a little concerned about our debt situation and how bad that is getting. With that being said, I think the biggest thing is just pay off your debts, guys. If you haven't paid off your debts by now and you're watching my videos, try and get that covered as quick as possible and try and develop more passive income or additional active income if you can't develop any passive income right away. But the bloodbath begins, and it's going to probably be a little bit on the rough side. Just weather it, guys. If the market goes down and gets cut 50%, well, that could be a buy-in opportunity for you. I think patience is a virtue when it comes to being in the stock market. And tomorrow, a lot of people are going to wake up, and it's probably going to be pretty bad. So thanks again. Like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike the video, guys, and stay savvy and stay safe. Have a great day, and hope to see you again soon.